Laco always does an amazing job with their limited editions, but I really love this brand new chronograph. Welcome back to the channel for Right Time Watches here in Denver, Colorado. Today we're looking a little closer at a beautiful limited edition Laco chronograph. This is an amazing timepiece for so many different reasons, but before we dig into all that, we'll invite you to subscribe to our channel. This watch has a 43.5mm diameter with a 50.8mm lug-to-lug distance. It's 14.2mm thick, powered by a Sellita automatic chronograph movement inside. As far as German brands go, Laco tend to be on the more affordable side of the spectrum, but they don't skimp where it counts. Not only are the watches fantastic, but the packaging is always enjoyable. They typically come in these long, skinny boxes that also come with a nice zip-up leather pouch. As you open this up, you get a real nice look at this fantastic limited edition pilot-style chronograph. This one is a bi-compax layout in a reverse Panda colorway. We've looked a little closer at some Laco Pilot chronographs on this channel before, including one with a white dial that I'm still tempted by almost daily, and these look amazing in person. I really love the simplicity of the dial, and I appreciate the large pilot-style crown on the right side of the case. These also come in a good size, a little over 43mm, which is not overwhelming for a true pilot-style watch. This one, like the others we've seen before, have blued hands. You can see a little bit of that blue surrounds the lume on those pilot-style hands. This one is also paired perfectly with a beautiful black pilot riveted leather strap with white stitching. When you put all these features together, it is a very aesthetically beautiful watch. I think this one is really nice to look at, and I could see why anyone would want to add this to their collection. It's not just about looks though with Laco. This obviously has an amazing heritage going back to the World War II era of pilots' watches. It also comes in a very high quality build. I love this almost all satin case, and I think it looks fantastic with this tool watch style. You do get a little bit of a polished ring right there around the bottom edge of the bezel, which brings out just that added sense of luxury. Overall, the feel of this watch is extremely high quality. It feels like something that's definitely worth its price, and I wouldn't be surprised if it came in even more than it is. As mentioned, this watch is powered by a Sellita-based automatic chronograph. You operate this in standard chronograph fashion. The top pusher starts and stops the timing, and the bottom resets. This is a hackable, windable automatic movement. I mentioned the look of the strap previously, which pairs perfectly with this watch, but it's also worth noting how soft the leather is on this one. It's very flexible while still being fairly thick. Overall, it gives a nice premium feel, and including this Laco sign buckle here on the opposite side. This gorgeous wristwatch does come with a see-through case back, and you're able to get a nice look at this beautiful movement. Even though it is a basic movement, it is still nice to look at. One of the most impressive features, and perhaps a little surprising, is how strong the lume is on this. You can see those subdials, the hands, the indices, and the numerals are all very visible in low light. At a hair over 43mm, this isn't a small watch, but you can see here on my 8-inch wrist there is plenty of room, as this has just a slightly over 50mm lug-to-lug distance. If you've got a smaller wrist, you can still enjoy this watch, especially considering it's a pilot's watch. This watch checks all the boxes of a premium timepiece, including having a nicely domed anti-reflective coated sapphire crystal. This one has a price point of $3,570 US, as it is a 98-piece limited edition. If you're looking for something rare, fun, premium, and under the radar, this should definitely be on your shortlist. I think this watch, just like the rest of the Laco catalog, is very attractive and very good value for money. If you'd like to purchase this watch or any of our others, please visit us online at righttime.com or give us a call. We're always happy to help. As always, thank you so much for stopping by, and we'll see you next time at Right Time.